Hi there, I'm going to show you a quick tutorial on how to create a new folder within the Google Drive. The first thing you need to do is make sure that you're logged into Google and that you have your web browser open and ready to go. To make sure you're logged in, you'll see your image or your account in the top right hand corner, and you'll also see the Google Apps icon available for you to select. Select that Apps icon, and from here you're going to locate and select Drive. Once you've selected Drive, your vision will change on your screen and you'll be given new options. So you can actually see all of your folders and files available within just by selecting any one of those icons on your left-hand side of the screen. To create a new folder, you're going to select the new icon, and from here, you're going to select Folder. Once your icon pops up for your new folder, it's asking you to create a folder name. I'm actually just going to name this folder New Folder and select Create. A new folder will create itself in my Drive, and I should be able to see it quite clearly here. From here, I'm going to open that new folder and I'm going to create another new folder. This will create a subfolder within the new folder which was created. You can upload files at any time by dropping and dragging the files in here, or you can select New and upload your file or folder to the folders you have created.